Hello children, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name: red color, blue color, black color, green color, white color, and yellow color. Kids now coloring ABC and 1 to 3. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane. The alphabets of A. B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids again use red color and draw C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. E. E for elephant. The alphabets of E. F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F. Kids now draw numbers, and first you draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use blue color. O and Yvonne. 2. T W 2. 3. T H R 3. 4. F O U R 4. Kids again use blue color and draw 5. F I V E 5. 6. S I X 6. 7. S E V E and 7. 8. E I G H T 8. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.